What's happening? So Taylor here with Valleyscape, and today we're talking about a leak on a drip system in Palm Desert. Now, Palm Desert and the Coachella Valley do things a little differently with their drip systems than a lot of other places do. So I'm going to show you what we're up against here. So we have a bougainvillea, and we've got a pretty bad leak down here. So I'll show you what we have to do. And then what the finished product will be, what it'll take. In this case, we're gonna have to cut the root back a little bit right there to get that. This is threaded in, so we need to be able to unthread that black part and put a new one in. But be a little tough, so you gotta be patient. So here we go. So for this situation, I carry chisels with me. I'm actually gonna chisel this out right here, right there, because I don't want to break too much, so I don't want to go at it real hard. We just want to chisel some of this back so we can get this piece out right there. Okay, I got this out, so the little riser with the connection, but as you can see, if my camera will focus, it broke the threads off. So the threads are actually stuck in this is a PVC T right here, so I'm gonna have to extract those. It's not as complicated as it sounds. You need one of these tools. So that is called a riser puller. You stick it in there, and you need to get it in enough to where it'll bite, and then you'll start to see it move. It's gonna be a little tough because of the tree in the way, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down, but that's what we're gonna do. I got it out, so now that thread is clean. So now we need the new version of what was taken out, and this is it right here. Don't forget to put Teflon just a little bit on these threads just to make them go in nice and easy. And then we'll go ahead and put the emitter right on the top and then cover it back up after we test it, of course. Okay, so we got this thing going. Everything looks good. We're dripping water down. The straw, that's why it's coming out down there. But it's tight and it is not leaking at the bottom like it was. So this is a desert way to install a drip system. It's very, very tough, and if you ever need help in the desert, Palm Springs, Quinta, with a drip system like this, go ahead and give us a call. We're more than happy to help.